Next up, Daniel Uribe, co-founder and CEO of Genobank. Over to you, Daniel.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Pete. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be with you today. And my name is Daniel Uribe, and I will tell you my story. In 2017, my son suffered an accident, and he was diagnosed with a rare disease that prevents his blood from clotting properly. My wife and I were very concerned because he was bleeding a lot. So the doctor recommended an experimental drug, and the problem was that after 15 shots, his pediatrician stopped the process because it was not working. That was not the worst part. It was a 300,000 bill, but what scares the most out of us is because his brain could have been damaged permanently. Thank God my son is doing okay, but we are not alone in this process. My wife and I literally were very concerned because we consented out of fear and helplessness, but not because we were able to analyze the evidence that was backing the first diagnosis in the first instance. This is a huge problem nationally. It turns out that 800,000 patients die or have permanent disabilities every year in this country because of medical errors. Imagine, misdiagnosis is more dangerous than wars, right? So, not everything is bad news. A recent study from Johns Hopkins says that if we incorporate computer algorithms into the process of diagnosis, this amount can be reduced up to 50%. So it can save 400,000 patients every year. That's why we created our platform. It's a platform that allows patients to own, access, and understand their healthcare data. So here is how it works. First of all, we tokenize families' biosamples as data NFTs, sorry. Then we create a virtual machine that acts as a data vault. And finally, we connect it to the world with AIs, doctors, laboratories, whatever it needs. But all the insights, all the conversations are owned and controlled by the family. We leverage our competitive advantage. Our secret sauce is our recently patented family bio wallet. It's the first patent that comes from the DeSci world. This is one of the biggest contributions that we can have today. It allows laboratories to have a digital identity and deposit the data directly into the family's vault using Web3 methods. This not only ensures families' privacy, but also gives data provenance and interoperability in this super siloed world. By using my own platform and our embedded AI conversational technology, I was able to explore my own son's data. And guess what? Yes, we were misdiagnosed. My son was misdiagnosed, and now I understand why those 15 shots didn't work. The good news again is that we have a new target. That's how we call it, right? There's hope. And that's basically, and the most important message that I want to give today in front of you is that we want to democratize the access for every single family, every single individual to, again, own, access, and understand their genome using AI, using Web3 technology, or whatever we need, right? So, again, as we say in crypto, let's verify each clinical decision based on data. It saves lives, right? So, our model is simple. We charge $4.99 a year per vault. It includes an unlimited interactions with the AI, Copilot. It includes a 24/7 clinical concierge. And the main purpose, again, is to decrease misdiagnosis. It's data-driven medicine. The virtual medicine market is huge. It's a huge opportunity to serve individuals and families. We are thinking to partner with family doctors, genetic counselors, hospitals, laboratories, and rare disease communities. We decided to start Techstars to focus on families. So far, we have 35 families only these 12 weeks, and just one family referred us to other 7. Family stock. It's super viral, right? So by the end of the year, we think we're going to serve more than 1,000 families. And by the end of 2025, we think we can serve 10,000 families. So we are in our way of what our 1 million RRR by 2025. Our team consists on a very specialized team that we are experts in genomics, AI, blockchain, and data law, as all our solutions are think about HIPAA compliance, GDPR, and so on and so forth. Actually, we exceed, because now we are making the family the owner and controller of their information. That was basically why these laws existed. But now, they are in control. Finally, I see the future like this. We want to contribute to create the largest network of connected families benefiting from Web3. Everybody's connected, everybody owns its data, but they are only connected to net positive relationships, right? Laboratories, doctors, biobanks, decentralized clinical science, and everything. So the main idea is how we accelerate drug discoveries and personalized treatments in a decentralized world. I just want to leave with this last message. If you like, let's pretend you are a researcher, that I am a patient looking for a solution, that I have a rare disease, and I'm exposing for the first time my data using Web3 methods. So please scan this QR code and request my data. Please create your first BioWallet. More than happy to share with you as long as you sign the consent, right? But this is the future, is how we will interact, how we'll crowdsource for knowledge in the genomic space using Web3. Thank you very much.